बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप? आई एम श्रद्धा, एजुकेटर फ्रॉम स्टडी विद श्रद्धा। आज हम करेंगे क्लास 7 की जेम्स इंग्लिश रीडर की पोएम रेन इन समर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। दिस पोएम हैज बीन रिटन बाय हेनरी वॉट्सवर्थ लॉन्गफेलो। इस पोएम का माइंड मैप, समरी एंड लाइन बाय लाइन एक्सप्लेनेशन बहुत अच्छे से प्रीवियस वीडियोस में कवर हो चुका है। इस वीडियो में हम इस पोएम के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे। इट विल इंक्लूड द बुक एक्सरसाइजेस एज वेल एज एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Let's start with take the correct options. First है the sick man blesses the rain because options क्या है? He breathes its scent, it twists and turns as a brook, it calms his fevered brain, it cools the fiery streets. तो क्या पढ़ा था हमने? That it calms his fevered brain. Next है the school boys come out in the rain too. Run around, mimic others, shout loudly, sail their paper boats. तो इसका क्या आंसर होगा? Sail their paper boats. Third है the oxen seem to thank the Lord because the rain gives them. What are the options? Time to rest, furrows, food, grain. तो rain क्या देता है oxen को? Time to rest. Next है the farmer is grateful for the rain because it would provide water to his oxen, bring him prosperity, calm him, fill the rivers. So the farmer is grateful for the rain because it would bring him prosperity. मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन हो गए, एक बार क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देख लेते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच एडजेक्टिव्स हैव बीन यूज्ड इन द पोएम टू डिस्क्राइब द रेन? द एडजेक्टिव्स यूज्ड इन द पोएम टू डिस्क्राइब द रेन आर ब्यूटिफुल, वेलकम, स्विफ्ट, वाइट एंड incessant. Incessant means continuous. Next question, the beauty of the sound of rain and the movement of rainwater is brought out by comparisons. Find them in the poem. The following comparisons bring out the beauty of the sound and movement of the rain. Clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs, like a river down the gutter rose. Next question करते हैं, question number 3. How does the plain look before the rain? So answer क्या है इसका? Before the rain, the plain resembles a leopard's tawny and spotted hide, indicating dryness and patches. So इसमें मैंने जो important keywords है ना, वो मैंने green में highlight किए हुए हैं. आप भी चाहो तो आप अपने answer sheet में ये keywords underline कर सकते हो. Next question. What do the hard-working oxen do when it rains? The hard-working oxen who are tired after their toil means hard work, inhale the clover-scented cool air. They look towards the sky and are very thankful to God as they get to rest in the furrowed land. Next question, how does the farmer react to the rain? The farmer sees the rain as a blessing. He looks at his fields and rejoices silently. He is thinking that a good rain would yield a bountiful crop and he would earn more money after selling the crops. Next question, with what does the poet compare the sound of raindrops on roofs? The poet compares the sound of raindrops on roofs to the sound of horses' hooves. ये सब एक्सप्लेनेशन में बहुत डिटेल में हमने अच्छे से किया along with many पिक्चर्स. सो आपने अगर नहीं देखा एक्सप्लेनेशन, एक बार आप वहाँ देख लेना. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वाई इज द स्ट्रीट कॉल्ड फायरी? सो फायरी का क्या मीनिंग होता है? हॉट. सो द स्ट्रीट इज कॉल्ड फायरी बिकॉज इट इज एक्सट्रीमली हॉट. वाई इज इट हॉट? ड्यू टू स्कॉचिंग हीट ऑफ द sun. Next question, what calms the sick man's fevered brain? Looking at the small streams and feeling the cool presence of rain from his room calms the sick man's fevered brain. Next question, question number 9. What do the schoolboys do in the rain? Answer, the schoolboys are excited to see the rain and are screaming in excitement. They sail their paper boats in the stream and rejoice watching their fleet. Fleet हमने क्या किया था? Ships के collective noun को कहते हैं fleet of ships. Right? Next question. The poet seems to enjoy the rain. How does he convey it through the poem? The poet expresses his enjoyment of rain through vivid and joyful imagery. He describes the positive effect of rain on different places and people of the city. He highlights that the rain washes away all the dust and heat of summer. It has a calming effect on the sick man and brings joy to the school children. The poet also leads us to visualize the countryside where the dried up earth is overjoyed on the arrival of rain. The farmer and his oxen are also grateful for the blessings showered by the rain. रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट है, ये आपकी बुक में गिवन है, बैक एक्सरसाइज है बुक की. एंड डाउन द वेट स्ट्रीट्स सेल देयर मिमिक फ्लीट्स, till the treacherous pool engulfs them in its whirling and turbulent ocean. Question answers देख लेते हैं. Who do the mimic fleets belong to? The mimic fleets belong to the schoolboys. बी पार्ट करते हैं. What is the treacherous pool and why do you think it has been called treacherous? Treacherous का मीनिंग हमने क्या किया था? डिसेप्टिव, धोखा देने वाला, राइट? सो what is the treacherous pool? The treacherous pool is the one created by heavy rain. नेक्स्ट पार्ट क्या है? Why do you think it has been called treacherous? It has been called treacherous as it engulfs the paper boats of the school boys. Next reference to context है as they bent their tops to the numberless beating drops. Question answers देखते हैं. Who are referred to as they? The stems of farmers' crops and pastures are being referred to as they. B part है what does the word numberless indicate? Numberless कहाँ mentioned है? To the numberless beating drops. So the word numberless indicates the uncountable raindrops falling from the sky. And with this we finish the questions and answers of the poem Rain in Summer. I hope आपको सारे questions answers and ये poem अच्छे से समझ में आ गई है. If you have any doubt, any query, please post in the comment box and I'll revert at the earliest. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.